Hi friends, how was your test? Was it easy? Of course, I know it will be easy because it was an open test. Do you remember last class? We were discussing about formatting tools. The first one is Format Painter. Here, Format Painter. Next, superscript and subscript. Here, superscript and subscript. And searching and replace. Here, last, editing. Find, search and replace. Today, we are going to see is page formatting. What is page formatting? Making changes to the default settings for the pages in the document is called page formatting. Default means given by any software. When I type anything here, it will come by default one color, one font style, alignment, everything. To make it little better view, so we have to do formatting. The first point, applying margin. What is a margin? The amount of white space between the text and the edge of page is called margin. Underline it. So here, from here to here, from this area to this area, look here, from here to here, this area, shaded area is called margin. There are four margin: top, bottom, then left and right. Once again, top, look here, top and bottom, here left and right. Take page number 36, figure 3.4. Go to page layout and page setup. Click on here, page layout tab and page setup group, and there are margins here. So now I am going to click here. See where is the margin you see here, and I am going to change narrow. Look here, what is the change will happen. It is already given here. Top, how much margin? 0.5, that means half. Left half, 0.5. Bottom right. Again I am going to click normal. So what will happen? See. How much is the margin? 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1. And if it is wide, see here. So same way you can change the margin. Next one, setting margin using rulers. There are two rulers. One is left side here and top. The mouse transform as double-headed arrow. Okay, again same. Again from down also. So easily you can click and drag the margin using rulers. Where you can get the rulers? View and rulers. If you untick, what will happen? There is no ruler now. Again, go to view tab, show and hide group and click on ruler. See here, ruler will appear. Next point, setting tabs within a document. What is tab? Tab or tab stops are used to control the alignment of text within a document. Tabs are used to indent a single line of text. Each time you press the tab key, the cursor point advance to the next tab stop. There are 5 tab stops. Take page number 38 and you can see 5 tab stop. A left tab stop, a center tab stop, right tab stop, decimal tab stop and bar tab stop. So where you can apply, look here. When you click on here in the corner, look here in this area, yes, which tab it is? Left tab. When I click once again, so which tab it is? A center tab stop. Once again, then which tab? Right tab. Once again, this is the decimal tab. Once again, Yes, this is the bar tab. What are the uses of this? If I select, okay, this is the normal indentation, first line indent. If you select a left tab once, this is the left tab selected. The next one, if I need a middle, one more, okay, I will start here. Then, and the end, right. So, where is the cursor now? Here is the cursor. I type A. Then, when I press tab key, where it goes? It will come here straight. See here, straight. I will write S. When I type tab again, what will happen? See here, straight here. If I press once again, it will go to the last. When the cursor will come in the end of the line, when you press tab, where it will go? Under the A or S? You see here. See here. Because it is indented here. See here. And next again tab, it is going on. Is it clear? Yes. Next one is indenting text. Indenting text. There are two types of indentation, that is first line indent marker adjusts the first line indent, left indent marker indents all lines in a paragraph. See page number 39, you can see both indentation. So look here, if I press here, see only that first line, see, remaining place it same. Okay, if I select this all, if I move this line, see, remaining all the lines move back or front. This is indentation. Next, inserting a line break. Suppose you want to write the main parts of the main window. Okay, the main window you have to bring down. So what you will do? Click the cursor where you want to make a line break and press shift and enter. Press and hold shift key and again press enter. So what will happen? That will go to the next line. Again, from menu bar onwards, we have to bring down means keep the cursor there, press shift key and enter. So same way you can create new line. You can break the line. And next point is page orientation. Page orientation. There are two page orientation, portrait and landscape. By default, all the documents will type and print as portrait. Take page number 39 and see the definition. If the document is printed, see here, a document is printed along the breadth of the paper, the page orientation is said to be portrait. This is the portrait. Then what is the other one? Landscape. Just I am going and changing the portrait. What I will do? Page layout tab, page setup group, orientation. Click portrait and landscape. Which one is selected now? Portrait. By default, portrait orientation. Click the landscape now. Then after clicking landscape, what will happen to this page? You see here. See here. What happened there? Yes. If a document is printed along the length of the paper, the page orientation is said to be landscape. Once again, this is portrait, landscape. Got it? What is the step? Page layout tab, page setup group and orientation. Click the portrait or landscape option. Next one is setting paper size. There are different types of paper. Look here. There are different types of papers like letter size, legal size, A4 size, A3 size and different types of paper sizes are there. Go to again page layout tab, page setup group, look here, size. Choose a paper size for the current section. Select. Now you see here, letter, tabloid, legal, statement, executive A3, like this going on. And the size is given there, 8.5 into 11. Now which one is selected now? Legal. If I select letter, what will happen? Look here, look the page here. I'm going to click here, letter. See, size is reduced. Again, if I click A4, little more bigger. If I click legal, little more bigger one. And A4, A5, there are different types of paper size. Normally we print, especially for assignment, we take which paper? Exactly, A4 size paper. That is called official size of the paper. Okay, or a little more bigger one we need to select legal. These are the two general and usually we use two papers. Last point of today is inserting a page break. Inserting a page break. Page break indicates the end of the current page and begin of the new one. How to do? I will show. Insert tab, then pages group. Where is the pages group? Here. And page break. Where you want to break the page? Suppose if I select here, I keep the cursor here. Look here. Okay. Now if I click on insert pages and page break, from there onwards it will move to the next page. Suppose from here onwards, I keep the cursor there, you have to move to next page. So again, insert tab, pages group, page break. Children, today we were discussing about page formatting, applying margins using rulers, tab stops, indenting text, line break, page orientation, paper size and page break. Please practice well. Friends, this week we are going to start moral science class also. As I mentioned before, help your parents live in morality and in values. But don't forget to follow COVID-19 prevention campaign. Thank you.